is odd for main, right? So let's go here and we can say like, how do we use it in main? So we go here and we can overwrite this piece because we've already sent it as a commit. So we can go here and we're like result. Actually, we need a number, right? So we'll say num, and then we want to convert it to integer, and we say input, enter a number, and then we say result equals whatever number they give us. We want to feed into even, and we say like num, and then we can do print, right? So the number, let me see, I do not want to write a conditional statement, so I want to just write the text. Okay, the number, I'll just say the number and then the results, right? Because I don't want to do like the number is even or odd, because then I have to write more code like conditional statements, and I don't want to do that because we've not introduced it yet. Okay, so let's run this piece. Enter number 1001. Number false, right? Meaning it is not even. Okay, let me up arrow, enter number 2. True, right? So that's how we can use it. And maybe we can also just say result equals decisions for odd is, we'll use the same number, like we won't collect it twice. And then we'll repeat this statement here. So now we'll get more output. Let me clear this piece. Okay, so before I run it, let me just run down through what I did. We're collecting a number from the keyboard. We want to convert it to int, whole number. And then we want to collect the result if we send it into the is even function. And then we display that. And then if we send it to is odd, we want to collect the result and we display that, right? So that's what we're doing. So let's see what happens here. Run. Enter a number, 11. So the first piece is for is even, false. And the second one is for odd, true, right? So let's run it again with number 10. So number 10 is even, but it's not odd, right? So I think maybe if I just do this, like if I just put like even, right? We'll just put even, and over here we'll put odd, and I think that might make more sense. So let me run it again. Up arrow, enter 11, even, false, odd, true, and then I run it again with number 10. So then even, true, odd, false, right? So hopefully that makes a little more sense. I didn't want to write like if statements, like if the value is even, then display it, otherwise don't display it, because I've not introduced those conditional statements yet. Yeah, it's recording right here. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so let me stop and start again the recording. We'll go into another